Alright everyone, I just want to do a little bit of cleaning up. And we're in the boost bottle right here. And I noticed this code here is kind of big and ugly. There's a lot of little commands in it, so it's kind of hard to just look at it and see what it does. And so what I propose to do in order to fix this is I'm going to just abbreviate some of the code. So in this part just here, we can see what's going on here. It's going to a random position. It's appearing. This is the boost bottle. It's waiting for a little bit of time. And then if the game's not over by the time it's finished waiting, then it does this little tick, tick, tick timeout, and then it disappears. So this is kind of like one appearance of the bottle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this out, and then I'm going to make a block. I'm going to call it bottle appears for a while. And then I'm just going to put that in there. And now, when you read this, it's much more readable. The bottle disappears, and then repeat this. Well, repeat what? Well, keep making the bottle appear for a while. So that's basically what's happening. Wait a little bit, and then if the game's not over, make the bottle appear for a while. And then repeat it again. Wait for a little bit. If the game is not over, make the bottle appear for a while. So now you can kind of read this code and just see what it does. Unfortunately, we haven't defined this, so it doesn't do anything yet. So what we've got to do is just put this here. So now all that code that used to be there is just abbreviated with a little sentence that says what it does. Bottle appears for a while. And then it does the same stuff because all of that code is now packed into this thing that we defined. So this is just a good way to make your code more readable. Just kind of take a chunk of code and say, well, what does this do? And if it basically does one thing, so in this case, it basically makes the bottle appear for a while and then disappear, then just give it the name that describes what it does, and then put that in its place. So take the code out, put the code under a new block that's defined to describe what it does, and then put that new block in that place. And that just kind of like cleans things up. So hopefully you can see what's going on here. It's still doing the same thing it used to do, but now instead of having all that in there, we just have this kind of little reference to it, and then it does all that. Makes the code a lot more readable. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.